Welcome back. I hope you have downloaded the resources that I mentioned in the section overview. Before we get to the hands-on, it is important for you to understand what Pandas is. Pandas is a Python library, the standard library that we discussed earlier, that is used for working with datasets. It has functions for analyzing, cleaning, exploring, and manipulating the data. At the end of the day, if you want to be a data scientist, if you want to be a data analyst in the analytics, AI, or data science space, Pandas is going to be your bread and butter. This is something that you cannot ignore. You'll be breathing in, day out, because this is the only library that's going to save you from improving the quality of data. The name Pandas as a reference to panel data, and it was created by Wes McKinney in 2008, and the primary purpose is to analyze the data. In fact, Pandas is fast, powerful, flexible, and easy to use open source data analysis library. In fact, you can download the Pandas source code from GitHub. If you just go to Google and search for Pandas open source code, you'll get the complete repository. It has been written on C, and of course it has been built on top of NumPy, which we have already learned as a package earlier. So NumPy library is used to create Pandas using Python. It is an open source library in Python that is mainly used for working with relational or labeled data both easily as well as intuitively. It provides various data structures and functions for us to play around with the data. That's what makes Pandas better. Why use Pandas? When we have so many functions already available, what is the purpose of creating a separate library for data manipulation? First advantage, fast and efficient. The kind of functions that are available with Pandas can help you to play around with the data, manipulate the data easily. Pandas also helps us to analyze the huge volume of data, and you can make conclusions based on statistical inferences easily. Statistical algorithms can be applied on the datasets easily using Pandas. Pandas can clean messy datasets for you and make them readable and relevant. You need not write any new lines of code. It's already written. It's available in Pandas. Relevant data is very, very important in data science. Otherwise, you know the famous philosophy, garbage in, garbage out. If you don't have the right data going in for analysis, you're not going to get the right inferences out, right insights out. So Pandas ensures that you're getting in the right data in. It is also flexible in reshaping and pivoting the data sets. And time series functionality kind of features are already available with Pandas. So Pandas are generally used for data science purposes. It's used in conjunction with other libraries primarily to improve the quality of the data, analyze the data, and derive insights in a better format. As I mentioned, NumPy library is the foundational base for Pandas. So automatically, lot of things that you can do with NumPy can be done easily with Pandas. The data produced by Pandas are often used for plotting the data with the help of Matplotlib and other libraries which you are going to learn later as part of this particular program. Of course, Pandas sounds exciting, isn't it? Time for us to get in and learn more about Pandas in this particular section.